Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add an existing website to WordPress. First, you'll need to assess your current site structure and content, noting any unique features. Next, select a migration method, whether manual, using a plugin, or hiring a service. Crucially, always create a full backup of your entire existing website before starting. Finally, set up a fresh WordPress installation on your hosting, ready for the transfer. Now, let's move your content. Begin by exporting your current website's database, which holds all your posts, pages, and settings. Then, import this database into your new WordPress setup. After that, transfer all your media files, like images and videos, into the WordPress media library. You might need to use an FTP client for this. Finally, update any internal links to ensure they point correctly within your new WordPress site. With your content in place, it's time to rebuild the design and functionality. Choose a WordPress theme that closely resembles your original site's look. Next, install essential plugins to replicate any specific features, such as contact forms or e-commerce capabilities. Then, customize the theme settings to achieve the exact visual appearance you want. Remember to thoroughly test all interactive elements, ensuring everything works perfectly. Before going live, conduct a comprehensive review of every page on your new WordPress site. Check for broken links, missing images, and formatting errors. Once satisfied, update your domain's DNS records to point to your new WordPress hosting. It might take up to 48 hours for these changes to propagate. Finally, implement 301 redirects for any URLs that have changed, and monitor your site closely after launch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.